Are you planning to renovate your property and wondering which renovations will give you the best return on investment? It's a question that puzzles many homeowners. Strategic planning is key when it comes to renovations. You want to ensure that every penny spent is a step towards enhancing your property's value. So, we've prepared this video to guide you through the top renovations that offer the best return on investment. Stay tuned to discover the top renovations to maximize your property's value. First on our list is the heart of any home, the kitchen. A modern, well-equipped kitchen can be a major selling point, often making or breaking a potential sale. It's where families gather, meals are prepared, and memories are made. Let's talk about the different types of renovations that can transform your kitchen into a culinary paradise. Updating appliances, for instance, not only adds a sleek look but also improves functionality. Energy-efficient models can even save you money in the long run. Installing new countertops can also dramatically change the look and feel of the space. Granite, quartz, and marble are all popular choices that add a touch of elegance and durability. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a fresh coat of paint. It's an inexpensive way to brighten up the space and make it feel clean and new. Investing in your kitchen can significantly increase the value of your property. It's a smart move that pays off in the long run. Next up, we have bathroom renovations. Bathrooms, like kitchens, are crucial in determining the overall appeal of your property. A tastefully renovated bathroom can offer a significant return on investment when you decide to sell your property. There are numerous ways to enhance your bathroom. Installing new fixtures such as faucets, showers, and sinks can instantly lift the room's aesthetics. Modern fixtures not only look good but also offer better functionality, providing a more enjoyable experience. Updating the flooring can dramatically change the bathroom's look. Opting for water-resistant materials like ceramic or porcelain tiles can offer durability and style. Adding new tiles to the walls or shower area can also make a big impact. Tiles offer a wide range of design options, allowing you to create a unique and personalized space. Remember, the key is to create a space that is both functional and attractive. A well-renovated bathroom can be a game-changer when it comes to selling your property. Let's not forget about the outdoors. The trend of outdoor living spaces is on the rise, and for good reason. They can significantly increase a property's value and appeal. Think about it. An inviting, well-designed outdoor space can serve as an extension of your home, providing additional living and entertaining areas. There are numerous ways to enhance your outdoor space. Adding a deck or patio, for instance, can create a comfortable spot for relaxation and social gatherings. Landscaping, too, plays a pivotal role. A well-maintained garden lined with blooming flowers and lush greenery can transform your backyard into a serene oasis. And let's not overlook the allure of an outdoor kitchen. With a grill, a sink, and perhaps even a pizza oven, you can take your barbecue game to a whole new level. Remember, outdoor living spaces not only enhance your home's appeal, but also its resale value. So, there you have it. In a nutshell, we've explored the top 3 areas of your home where strategic renovations can significantly boost your property value: the kitchen, bathroom, and outdoor living spaces. As we've seen, a well-thought-out kitchen upgrade can do wonders for your home's appeal, with a focus on modern appliances, functional countertops, and ample storage space. Similarly, bathroom renovations are key to elevating your property's value. A fresh, clean, and modern bathroom can dramatically enhance your home's overall impression. Think along the lines of updated fixtures, improved lighting, and perhaps even a touch of luxury with a heated floor or a spa-like bathtub. And let's not forget the allure of a well-designed outdoor living space. A comfortable, functional, and inviting outdoor area can serve as an extension of your home's living space, offering potential buyers an additional reason to fall in love with your property. Whether it's a deck, patio, or a well-manicured garden, outdoor renovations can provide a significant return on investment. But remember, while these renovations can add substantial value, they are not one-size-fits-all solutions. The key is to understand your home, your neighborhood, and the preferences of potential buyers. Tailoring your renovations to these factors will ensure you get the most bang for your buck. Remember, the right renovations can significantly increase your property's value and appeal. Happy renovating!